This lesson covers 5 delicious fruits: watermelon, pineapple, mango, pear, and peach. Each fruit has its unique taste and appearance, and you will learn their names and features. Watermelon is a large, juicy fruit that contains about 91% water. It has a hard green rind on the outside and sweet red or pink flesh inside. Watermelons often have black seeds, but some kinds have no seeds at all. People enjoy eating watermelon fresh, as juice, or even cooked in some recipes. Pineapple is a tropical fruit with rough, spiky skin. Inside, its flesh is yellow and juicy. Pineapple is also called ananas in some countries. It has a sweet and tangy flavor and is used fresh, juiced, or in desserts and savory dishes. Mango is known as the king of fruits. It is a tropical stone fruit with sweet, fragrant flesh. Mangoes are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin A and C. People enjoy mangoes fresh, in smoothies, or in drinks like mango lassi. Pear is a sweet, juicy fruit with a smooth skin. It can be green, yellow, or red. Pears have a soft texture and are eaten fresh or used in cooking and baking. They are rich in dietary fiber and vitamins. Peach is a fruit with soft, fuzzy skin and sweet, juicy flesh. It is usually orange or yellow with a large seed inside. Peaches are commonly eaten fresh, in desserts, jams, or juices. Today you learned about 5 fruits: watermelon, pineapple, mango, pear, and peach. Each fruit offers unique flavors and textures. Try to remember their names and pronunciations to improve your English vocabulary. Watermelon is a healthy fruit that contains lycopene, an antioxidant that may reduce the risk of some diseases. It provides potassium, which helps muscles work properly and keeps blood pressure healthy. Watermelons can be large and usually weigh between 15 and 45 pounds. Pineapple has a spiky exterior and sweet yellow flesh inside. It is often eaten fresh or used in cooking. Some people call pineapple ananas. It is rich in vitamins and has a tangy taste enjoyed around the world. Mangoes are sweet tropical fruits called the king of fruits. They are full of vitamins like A and C and are eaten fresh, in smoothies, or in traditional drinks such as mango lassi. Mango is loved for its juicy texture and fragrant aroma.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.